And it's not like heavily scented either. It just smells like what you want your pussy to smell like, roses and shit. Hey guys, I'm Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and welcome to my channel if you're new. So today's video is going to be on the Yoni Steam self-care kit that I got from Angel by Nature. And yeah, I'm going to tell you all about it. This is like a really quick unboxing, and if you guys are interested in seeing what I got, stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, I ordered the Lilac Yoni Steam self-care kit. I have my computer here just so you know I have all the information and I'm not giving you guys anything incorrect. So that's what I ordered from Angel by Nature. Okay, so first of all, the packaging is really cute. Everything is like purple and it's so cute. So these are all the things. There's some more, but I can't fit it in the camera. But everything is really, really cute. I love the little I guess this is like organza bags for like the looser items and things like that. It's so cute. So let me tell you guys what it comes with. First things first, it comes with the steaming bowl. This is what you put like on the toilet, or like if you want to do it on the floor or something like that. This is what you use to do your steam. It also comes with it also comes with an ombre purple tea cup, or mug rather. It comes with some lavender tea bags to go with your mug. I can't wait to have some of this while I'm steaming my little cootie cat. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be feeling like a bad bee. Steam my little pom pom. And then it also comes with the actual Yoni Steam herbs. Herbs. I'm Jamaican. What y'all say? Herbs? I say herbs. Write it down below. If you say herbs, write ERBS. But if you say herbs, write HERBS in the comments, because I want to know. So yeah, it comes with the herbs. The herbs for the steam, and then it also comes with the instructions on how to steam your vagina. Yes, it comes with that. Yeah, okay, it comes with all of that. I'll read this all later once I tell you everything that I have here. Then this also comes with the Happy Feet foot detox, and I cannot wait to use this. Now, what else do we have in here? Oh, it also comes with 3 Yoni pearls. Now, let me tell y'all, Yoni pearls, these Yoni pearls, the ones from Angel by Nature, healed a recurring yeast infection that I had, along with my little coconut oil suppositories that I made. If you guys want to know how I got myself together, then let me know and I'll make a video on that. But yeah, holy grail. I will not go, you know, I need these in my life. I don't really need to use them as often anymore, but Yoni pearls have made my cootie cat tighter, have made it wetter. I mean, I didn't really have that issue before, but it enhanced, you know, the tightness and the wetness. And it also helped heal, well, it helped stop, like get rid of all like the built up yeast that I had, which is why I was getting yeast infections. And then you also get this Honeydew Nectar, Yoni Nectar, excuse me, Honeydew Yoni Nectar. Let me tell you, I put a little 2 drops of this on my little pom pom. First of all, I told y'all I'm prone to yeast infections. This did not give me a yeast infection, thank the Lord. But when I tell y'all this smells magical, your vagina, and it's not like heavily scented either. It just smells like what you want your pussy to smell like, roses and shit. I got some oil on my nose. But it's all natural, so that's okay. Okay? Oh. It smells like heaven, like when I tell you guys. And I just love the packaging. It is so cute. You can see like the flowers in there. Oh, it's just so beautiful. And yeah, this says it has grapeseed oil, coconut oil, manuka oil, rose hip oil, chamomile, lavender, calendera, frankincense, sweet almond oil, and other essential oils. Okay. It says massage 3 drops in genital region after showering or when moisture is desired. I did this after I showered, and I had also used the flower shower. Like I told y'all, prone to yeast infections. I was so scared to use this because the only thing I can use that doesn't give me a yeast infection is like Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap or the unscented Dr. Bronner's. But I used this. It was really lightweight. I used this after I used my Dr. Bronner's because I just, you know, I like to get a good wash. This is really lightweight. It has a nice subtle like smell to it, so your, you know, your cootie will be smelling fresh and clean and flowery. This one has oh, it says to use 2 pumps on your hand or a washcloth and cleanse the area, then rinse. I used it on my hands. I don't ever use a washcloth on, I'm too sensitive to use a washcloth, so I just use my hands. So this has rose water, aloe vera, witch hazel, coconut oil, hemp oil, manuka oil, castile soap, and lavender oil. That's probably why I can use it, because that's what Dr. Bronner's is castile soap. This, the flower shower. Okay. Get your flowers some power with the flower shower. Okay, so good. I love it. So yeah, I used these 2 in conjunction and I did not get a yeast infection. I'm really happy. And I also got some extra lavender in my bag, and I just love this. Ooh, I shook it too much. I just love this because I just hang it up in my room, and then my room now smells like lavender, and it smells freaking delicious. Okay, I love this. And then I also got a cute little handwritten note, and it says, Tiffany, a beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. Thank you, beautiful, for your support and positive vibes. Oh, she is just so sweet. When I tell you guys, the owner of the company she is just like the sweetest thing in the world, and I just love her. And yeah, I met her when I was like asking about who had yoni pearls, because I was, you know, going through hell. And her sister is in a Facebook group that I run called Boss Friends, and she tagged her, and I'm like, oh, okay, I'll get it from your sister. And then like I like wrote her like asking about like information, and she has just been like so sweet ever since, and I just freaking love her. She also sent me some rose goddess bath drops, and I just love this because I really want to take a goddess bath. Ooh, it's oily and it smells like freaking heaven. I'm sorry, I keep smelling this, but this stuff smells like legit heaven. These are only $15. Get you some. It's like, oh, it has essential oils in here. It has like herbs and all the goodness that you need for a bomb bath. Okay, and it just smells divine. I can't wait to take a bath with that. And I'm really like, I'm really getting into like goddess baths and things like that, so I wanted to get some from her, and yeah, she sent that over. Back to the Yoni Steam though, the reason why we're here, I really wanted to get mine from her because they come in, you have an option to get the Yoni Steam in tea bags for easy cleanup, or you can get it loose. And I really like that because a lot of other places I didn't see them in the tea bags, I only saw them loose, and I'm like, I don't want to have to deal with all that cleanup. Like, this is easy as pie. You do 1, 2, boom, and you're done. So that's why I really wanted to get this from her. And yeah, like I I just love this. And last but not least, this kit comes with a freaking lavender, well, sorry, not lavender, a purple blanket. Because you're supposed to cover yourself when you steam. You're supposed to cover your little parts, and you're supposed to not let the steam out, and it's supposed to just all go up in your vagina and trap it in there. So it came with this, and it's so soft and cushy, and oh my gosh, I just love it. I cannot wait to steam my cootie cat. It's like gonna be so perfect. I'm really excited. But yeah, these are the Yoni instructions, and it says things that you need. You need your herbs, 1 large tea bag, or a 1/3 cup of loose herbs. And I got the tea bags. There are quite a few in here. I haven't opened it. I don't remember exactly how many are in here. You'll need 8 cups of water, a pot with a lid, the bowl, thermal socks, a knitted hat or a head cover of some sort, a large blanket, which I got, a timer, which is going to be on my phone, and it says optional soothing music, favorite book, candles, etc. I'm going to be doing my steam with some lit music, some candles, and my crystals around me. Okay, I am going to be, my bath is going to have that, and my steam is gonna have that. Okay, body gonna be on fleek, boom boom boom, gonna be on fleek. You hear me? You hear me? Listen. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to really quickly come and show you, just do this unboxing of all this stuff, because I'm about to be a whole brand new woman come next week. Okay, I'm gonna do my foot detox tonight. I'm gonna do my Yoni steam probably over the weekend, and I'm probably gonna do my bath on Saturday. So we'll see how this all goes. And if you guys want any updates on, you know, how all these things went, if you need any of the information for this company, I will leave it all below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good one, and if you have any questions, let me know. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.